Hello everyone, our today's topic is all about finding the factorial using the Excel. So here is the formula. If we write is equal to fact, okay, and then if we write for example number 5 and then bracket close, so we'll get the answer as what 120. That is the answer for the factorial of what 5. Okay, and there are two things. You will get the answer of factorial till 170 number only. That means fact 170. Okay, this is only the largest value which we can accept by Excel, because after this if you try for 171, okay, you will get the error message. And also suppose if I'm writing is equal to fact and I'm not writing the numerical or number part, I'm writing some text or something, okay, again I will get the error because it is a non-numeric. Okay, and if you are writing for example negative number, suppose -5 or something like this, still we will get the hashtag num error. But this is how we can easily find the answer of factorial using the Excel and using only the fact function. Thank you everyone.